Welcome to Neha Academy for the science classes, and these questions are for SSLC Karnataka State Board. One more questions, you get a questions after 8 multiple choice question. Then you get a definition type questions like uh, define ampere. You will have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 one more question you have to define. And first 8 questions are multiple choice, whereas the second 8 questions are of definitions you have to answer, and the questions carry 1 mark. So the first question you can see over here is 1 ampere of current. If 1 coulomb of charge passes through a conductor in 1 second, the current is said to be 1 ampere. So if you know the answer in somebody, you can type over there. And for you, those who are not having the answer properly, I can give you, if 1 coulomb, coulomb of charge, 1 coulomb of charge passes through a through a conductor in 1 second, the current is said to be 1 ampere. The current said to be 1 ampere. Current is said to be 1 ampere. 1 ampere. So if 1 ampere, they ask question. See, 1 ampere is a unit of current actually. But when you some questions may ask what is the unit of current? It's 1 ampere. But when they ask you what is 1 ampere or define 1 ampere of current, you can't say it is a unit of current. You have to define. You have to give the answer like this. If 1 coulomb of a charge passes through a conductor in 1 second, the current is said to be 1 ampere. Very good. So it is easy to understand it. Just read it, take it, make it understand that how way you memorize the answer. It is up to you. There are some people can memorize very fast. Some can after so many repetition it needed. So I prefer you to definition to be memorized. There's no other way, because you have to mention the words and what do you call them, the key sentences, keywords, vocabulary. This is not only we are in physics or science. There are vocabulary like a coulomb, conductor, ampere, current. These are all vocabulary in science subjects. So you need to know these words and you connect it properly. And you can't write in our words because the definitions and some of the definitions you can't change it. Similarly, you can say what are hormones. Hormones, and it is very simple. You have hormones, which is important. As harmonic changes makes some body also, people's body or human body also changes according to this excess hormones, deficiency of hormones leads to some kind of diseases. For example, here hormones are chemical messenger. What is the definition of hormones? Hormones are chemical hormones are chemical messengers, messengers, messengers that are described, that are secreted, secreted, secreted directly into the blood, which carries them to